Good morning from Munnar. We got up late. It's almost 10:30. We're going for breakfast. After that, we're gonna hire a bike and go see around the cities. As you can see here, the weather is beautiful, foggy, and kind of reminds me of my hometown. Not only that, I feel cold all the time, so I'm wearing one jacket and I'm carrying another jacket in summer. I hope it doesn't rain, otherwise we won't be able to do much. Let's see how it goes. Our hotel is about 15 to 20 minutes walking distance from the main road. It is a little far, but the place is very quiet and peaceful. On our way to the main road from our hotel, we passed through a tea testing center. We have reached the bike rental place. They only have scooty available and it costs rupees 600 per day. We have to deposit a Aadhaar card as ID proof and we will get it back when we return the scooter. We have to fill the petrol on our own and we filled up few details and scooty was handed over to us. Now we are on our way to have breakfast, but before that we have to fill up the petrol. We fill petrol for rupees 200. This is a breakfast: pakora, samosa, vada, cutlet and tea. Now we are on our way to our first stop, Kothemedu viewpoint. It is about 5 kilometers from the town. On our way, we passed through Ramaswamy Iyer Headworks Dam. There is something incredibly liberating about exploring a place on a scooty. As we ride through Munnar, the cool breeze and green lush surroundings set the perfect tone for our adventure. We have reached the Kothemedu viewpoint, but we cannot see anything much because of the fog. As there is nothing much to see because of the fog, we will head to our next stop, Atukat Waterfall. On our way to the waterfall, we pass through an endless beautiful tea garden. We met many tea leaf pickers on our way. Tea leaf pickers in the Indian tea industry are nearly all women. We also got to see a worker harvesting tea using scissors like tools for cutting the tea leaf. It's quite interesting. My husband spotted a porcupine spike on the road, so we stopped to collect it and got a few spikes. As we move forward, we met many more tea leaf pickers, and we also passed through some small villages and many interesting landscapes. On our way to the waterfall, we passed through an endless beautiful tea garden. This is our brother who helped us guide here to the waterfall. Thank you so much. We have reached the waterfall. This is not a popular tourist destination, so you will have peace and can truly enjoy the scenery. There are no entry fees and parking charges. You can just stop by, admire the waterfalls and proceed. Entering the water can be dangerous, so just watch the waterfall from a distance. We headed to a tea shop near the waterfalls that served snacks and tea. While we were having tea, it started raining heavily, so we waited until the rain stopped. Chai hoga? Do? Hi, Bye. 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 Has stopped raining after maybe half an hour, 45 minutes. So we will continue. I'm wearing a jacket, but my husband is not. So I don't know how the situation will be. But yeah, let's see. All the feet are wet. We are on our way to our next stop, which is Photo View Point. It is around 13 kilometers from the waterfall. On our way, we passed through the Tata Packaging Center. And we stopped by at the tea sale outlet and bought some massage oil, tea, coffee, honey and pickles. The prices are reasonable compared to other shops located in the main town.
Honey?
Honey?
You want honey? Which honey? You want company brand or
No.
tribal people?
Tribal people.
Yeah.
We stopped by a roadside stall to have iced apples and coconut flowers. We tried it for the first time and we loved it, but we liked the iced apple more.
Something different.
Our scooter's tire pressure is low, so we inflate the tire and continue. We have reached the photo point. The photo viewpoint is one of Munnar's popular tourist destination. So it was congested and the road was also narrow, making it difficult to park due to traffic. So we rode past the photo point and stopped at a quiet place to enjoy a panoramic view of the tea garden. A tea garden visit is incomplete without a cup of tea. The time is around 5:30 p.m. and we have to return the vehicle by 6 p.m. so we headed back to the town to return the scooter. We returned the scooter and helmet and got back our ID. As the sun begins to set on this incredible day, I can't help but feel grateful for the beauty we have witnessed and the experience we have shared. We have reached our hotel and rest for a while, and we headed to the main town for dinner, where we tried vegetables thali. The food was okay. Finished packing and we will be checking out in a while. After that, we'll go have breakfast and go to Cochin. Let's go. Thank you for joining us on this bike ride through Munnar's treasure. The journey has been a true delight for us. If you enjoyed the vlog, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel videos. Until next time, keep exploring.